It displayed signs of recent internal activity, an alteration driven by the interstellar medium or other unseen forces. The discovery prompted reflection. How did this off-world visitor reach us? How did it survive its intergalactic journey? And how did it transform? To answer, we must first understand where 3I Atlas came from. It displayed signs of recent internal activity, an alteration driven by the interstellar medium or other unseen forces. Its composition told tales of an environment vastly different from our own, of temperatures so low that carbon dioxide froze and water vapor persisted. Most surprisingly, Webb revealed a comet unlike any in our solar system, one that spoke of a history that predated even our sun. Its origin story. The tale of 32ATLAs began not with its entry into our solar system, but years before, when scientists realized they were tracking an alien visitor. After its initial observation on December 2018, astronomers used powerful tools like it had collected hours of spectroscopy, mid-infrared data, and near real-time observations, all aimed at decoding the secrets held within the comet. As the data was processed, more pieces of the puzzle. Webb's first direct look at 3IATLAs revealed a sight both eerie and familiar, a comet bathed in otherworldly light, narrating tales of a distant past. When scientists realized they were tracking an alien visitor. After its initial observation on December 2018, astronomers used powerful tools like the Panoramic Survey Telescope and rapid response system to gather data. By comparing its position with sophisticated computer simulations of its trajectory, they could estimate its path and predict its future. They named it, officially, Comet Borisov, and nicknamed it 3I. Later, genetic analysis of its trajectory confirmed its interstellar origins, making it only the third such object discovered after Oumuamua and 2I. Unlike its predecessors, 3I presented fewer puzzles. No unusual acceleration or tumbling motion. It moved serenely on a hyperbolic path, a signature of objects escaping their birthplace and venturing between the stars. Its approach to the sun would bring it closest to Earth in February 2024. For the next 2 years, scientists analyzed its hazy appearance, its measured mass, and its approximate diameter. The consensus emerged. This was a small, icy body, not quite a dwarf planet, but certainly larger than most comets in our solar system. Still, its exact nature remained shrouded in mystery until Webb stepped in. Our first real look. When Webb turned its gaze to 3I at last, the world watched intently. This was more than a routine observation. It was a chance to peer into an alien world, to see what existed beyond our own planetary cradle. The day the image was released, it sent ripples through the scientific community and the public alike. What Webb revealed was astonishing, a clear view of an interstellar visitor for the first time. Looking into the heart of a comet, it brought 3I Atlas to life as never before. The gashes on its surface hinted at its internal heat. The faint haze around it whispered stories of its chemical makeup. And as astronomers delved deeper into the data, they uncovered more. 3I Atlas was a traveler. Its nucleus bore marks of countless journeys across the void of battles fought and won against the dust clouds and radiation of space. Its composition told tales of an environment vastly different from our own, of temperatures so low that carbon dioxide froze and water vapor persisted. Most surprisingly, Webb revealed a comet unlike any in our solar system, one that spoke of a history that predated even our sun. Now that Webb had provided this pristine view, scientists raced to interpret what they saw. The next step was understanding what these visuals meant. Why was the tail so subtly curved? And how did the actual size and shape of the nucleus impact its behavior? Astronomers knew they had a wealth of data to sift through. Webb had captured more than just an image. It had collected hours of spectroscopy, mid-infrared data, and near real-time observations, all aimed at decoding the secrets held within the comet. Scientists estimated that the nucleus of 32ATAs was roughly spherical, a testament to gravitational forces that had shaped it over billions of years. It had a rough, irregular surface reminiscent of a fragmented past. Close inspection revealed patches that appeared darker, suggesting areas where sunlight was absorbed rather than reflected. These clues pointed to a complex history of impacts and transformations, hinting at a violent past. At first glance, The coma seemed deceptively simple, just a faint glow surrounding the nucleus. But closer analysis revealed intricate details. This spatial variation hinted at a stratified interior where older materials formed a hard outer shell and younger, volatile substances were found closer to the center. The tail of 3I was more than just a streamer of dust. It was a record of interaction between the comet and the solar wind. Its gentle curve implied a modest deflection, perhaps nudged by solar pressure rather than a sudden jolt. Such insights weren't just astronomical curiosities. They were vital to unraveling the history of our solar system. Here was an object formed elsewhere, carrying with it the imprints of another planetary system. Studying it was like reading a text from the distant past, understanding the language of the early universe. With each passing day, 3I Atlas yielded more secrets. Webb's instruments continued to collect data, providing a rich archive that would keep astronomers busy for years. New images, new analyses, all aimed at extracting every last piece of knowledge from this interstellar guest. As the mission unfolded, it became evident that 32ATAs was more than just an object of study. It was a messenger from the past, bringing greetings from the dawn of the cosmos. It carried with it the echoes of events that took place long before our sun ignited. Its composition, its shape, its very existence was a testament to the tumultuous birth of worlds. Understanding 3I at last meant understanding ourselves better, our place in the grand scheme of the universe. It was a humbling experience, a reminder of how much we don't know and how much there is left to discover. 3I at last wasn't just a comet. It was a chronicle of cosmic evolution, a silent witness to the birth of galaxies. As Webb continues to observe, it is as if the telescope itself is listening to the whispers of creation, and what it hears is nothing short of astounding. Through the lens of Webb 3I, Atlas has become more than just an interstellar object. It's a conversation between science and wonder. With every new revelation, it reaffirms the boundless curiosity that drives humanity and the incredible power of observation. In the grand tapestry of space exploration, Webb's encounter with 3I Atlas is a shining thread. It reminds us why we explore the cosmos, to understand, to marvel, and to connect with the universe on a deeper level. It's a testament to the human spirit of exploration and the enduring quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. Webb is not just observing the universe, it's engaging in a dialogue with it. And in this exchange we, the observers, find ourselves becoming part of the story. Webb's first direct look at 3I ATLAs revealed a sight both eerie and familiar, a comet bathed in otherworldly light, narrating tales of a distant past. It is a spectacle that speaks to the profound mysteries that lie at the heart of our existence. And as we continue to decipher the messages encoded in its light, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of our place in the grand theater of the cosmos. Join us as we continue to explore the captivating narrative of 32ATAs, where each new revelation brings us closer to understanding not